Every day, people break records, start businesses, create art, and change the world. But the real question is, why not you? Somewhere along the way, you started believing a lie. The lie that success is reserved for others, for the gifted, the lucky, the chosen ones. But let me tell you something. Every successful person started as someone who simply refused to quit. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Elon Musk was told his ideas were impossible. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter changed the world. They weren't special, they weren't destined for success. They just refused to accept failure as the end of their story. The only thing standing between you and success is action. Not talent, not luck, action. The people you admire, they didn't wait for permission, they didn't wait for the perfect moment. They made their moment. So, how can you shift from doubt to belief? Stop waiting for permission. Nobody is coming to tell you it's your time. Make it your time. Embrace the process. Success isn't instant, it's built one step at a time. Fail forward. Every failure is just another lesson. Keep moving. Surround yourself with growth minded people. The right environment fuels your success. And ask yourself daily, why not me? Because if someone else can do it, so can you. There will never be a perfect moment. The right time is right now. Stop waiting, stop doubting, start moving. If this video gave you even a spark of motivation, drop a like and comment down below what's one thing you're going to start today. And if you're serious about leveling up, make sure to subscribe because this journey, it's just getting started.